Hi everyone, it's Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, where today, as promised, I'm talking about the 5 key reasons that people are failing their practical driving test. Now, the study's shown yesterday when the results came in that over the last 6 months, pass rates have dropped by 1.4%. So what are the 5 key things that are happening on practical driving tests that are causing people to fail? So, number 1 is observations. Observations need to be effective. When we're at junctions, ensure you're looking left and right and only emerging out into traffic when it is safe to do so. Number 2 is mirrors when changing direction. Now, that may be because you are changing lanes, or it may be because you are signalling to turn left or right into a junction, or it may be that we are changing speed, whether that's an increase or a decrease, maybe due to a traffic light change. Number 3 is moving off safely. Now, it's important that when we move off from the side of the road that we take effective observations and check over our left and right blind spots to check that it is completely safe. Number 4 is control when steering. So this includes things like mounting the pavement or not following the contour of the curb when you're turning left or cutting a corner when turning right. Number 5 is turning right at junctions. So again, talking about cutting over when turning right, so cutting over the dotted line, and not positioning correctly when coming to the end of the road. So when we come to the end of the road and we're turning right, we need to be positioned close to the centre line so that it gives other road users an idea of where we're going along with our signal. So by keeping an eye on those 5 things, you'll stand a much better chance of passing your practical driving test. For more help and support passing your theory test, then visit our website, which is www.thedrivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk, or you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, where there's lots of free videos and advice on how we can help you pass.